Hey, what's new, fellow Homo sapiens? Here is the Bananaquit. This bird can be found throughout the Caribbean, southern Mexico, and throughout northern South America, all throughout the tropics. There are 41 subspecies recognized. They feed on nectar. It was pretty difficult to film this guy because they were always hopping all over the place. But I managed to get some good footage in Dominica. Just want to take some time to appreciate this species. Some of you may have never heard of it before. Hopefully we can find some of the other subspecies in future videos. We have a lot of work to do to find all 41 of these. And this is the first one. See you next time on Lifers.